The global aerial target drones market is rapidly expanding, driven by advancements in technology and increasing defense budgets. Aerial target drones are mainly used for military training and are becoming increasingly popular among defense forces worldwide. These drones simulate various aerial threats, allowing armed forces to prepare for real combat situations. With innovations in drone technology, manufacturers are developing more sophisticated and versatile unmanned systems. The market is segmented into different types of drones, including fixed-wing and rotary-wing models. Growth in the recreational drone market is also contributing to advancements in aerial target drones. Key players in the market are focusing on partnerships and collaborations to enhance their product offerings. Regulatory changes and technological alignments are shaping the future landscape of aerial target drones. North America is currently the largest market for aerial target drones, followed by Europe and Asia Pacific. The future growth potential of the aerial target drones market looks promising, with increasing investments from governments. As military operations evolve, the need for realistic training solutions like aerial target drones will continue to grow. In summary, the aerial target drones market is a dynamic sector filled with opportunities for innovation and expansion.